Hello kids, how are you all? I hope that all are fit and fine. Okay, I'm back for you. I am your English teacher, and it's for the standard fifth, and the subject is English for the English medium section. Okay, now we are on the chapter number 6. It's a poem. Okay, poem number 6. I have noodles in my nostrils. Okay, the name of this poem is I have noodles in my nostrils. Okay, and this poem written by Ken Nesbitt. Okay, it's a poem I have noodles in my nostril, which is written by Ken Nesbitt. Okay, now we are on it. Okay, the name of this poem, I have noodles in my nostril. So it is a poem about noodles. Okay, poem about noodles, and there is a one naughty boy who like the noodles very much. Okay, most of the kids, okay, most of the child, okay, they like noodle, they like noodles very much. Okay, it's a very spicy, easy to eat. Okay, so most of the child like this. Okay, to eat noodles. Okay, their favorite food, noodles. Okay, so this poem on it, I have noodles in my nostrils. In my nostrils. Okay, I have a noodles in my nostrils. Where is the nostrils? Nostrils means the hole, this hole. Okay, nose hole. It's a when we breathe in, out. Okay, so it's a nostril or noodles. Where is the noodles? Noodles in my nostrils. Okay, when the child eating, they some noodles are there, here, there. Okay, on clothes. Okay, on cheeks also. So there is a one naughty boy who said that I have a noodles in my nostril. Okay, in my nostril. But it is not good. It is not good to put inside the nostril. Okay, it is not good. Okay, it must be dangerous for us. So don't do at home. Okay, it is just a poem for enjoy. Now we are on. I have noodles in my nostrils. Okay, nostrils, and I have noodles in my nostrils. I have noodles on my nose. Okay, when the child eating the noodles in the nostrils, and some noodles are on the nose also there, and there are noodles on my cheeks and chin. There are the noodles on my cheeks. Okay, there is a cheeks and the chin also. Okay, here and there, everywhere the noodles and noodles. Okay, it is a stick on cheeks. It is a stick on chin. It is a stick on nose. Okay, noodles everywhere. Okay, so and dripping down my clothes, and these noodles dripping down my clothes. Okay, it is dripping down on my clothes there. So I have got more upon my forehead. Okay, I have got more upon my forehead also. Okay, everywhere noodles and noodles there. Okay, on my nose, on my cheeks, yeah, on my chin, forehead, in the nostril also. Okay, so I got more upon my forehead. Some are sticking to my neck. Okay, the noodles are very sticky also. So some are sticking here in my neck, to my neck. Okay, and it's completely disconcerting. Okay, it is which is the sticking black means the some of the which is the person who is bad in physical and mental condition. That so means the some of the madness from noodles. Okay, some the madness from noodles also. So he stick here, there, everywhere. Okay, noodles, noodles, and noodles. Then I'm a noodle covered rack. Okay, noodle covered rack. I can see them on my kneecap, and I can see the them on my kneecap. Kneecap is the have your knee here. Okay, here kneecaps also there. Okay, there is also noodles. Okay, and here on my kneecap. Okay, it's the upper part of the knee. It is called kneecap. So and I know they are in my shoes, and noodles in my shoes also. Okay, where is the noodles? In my nose streaks, on my nose, on my cheeks, on my chin, on my forehead. Okay, and sticking here on a neck. Also, where is in a pocket in a kneecaps. Okay, in my shoes also. Means everywhere noodles, noodles and noodles. Everywhere noodles, noodles and noodles. Okay, some noodles stick on his hair. Okay, okay. Now the poem. Okay, the I have a noodles in my nose straights. Okay, then we are on continue. There is a half portion of that. When I stand, there are somewhat swishy. Okay, the noodles. Okay, when I stand, there are somewhat swishy. Swishy is the wheat. Okay, there is a wheat outside the noodles. We can see that noodles mostly a wheat. Okay, then when I stand, there are some water swishy, and I feel them start to ooze. Okay, I feel them start to ooze. Ooze means the come out. Okay, ooze means the come out. So noodles. Okay, this naughty boy is which person? Okay, who was a metal. Metal means the metal for the noodles, and they stick the noodles everywhere. Okay, on the forehead, cheeks, chin, and the nostril also. So there is everywhere noodles, noodles, and noodles. Then noodles on the pocket, on the clothes also there, and these noodles are there are several in my pockets. Okay, some noodles are on the pocket, on my pocket also, and there is a handful in my hair. Okay, the noodles on his hair also. Means each and every body part there is a noodles, noodles and noodles. Okay, then and I am the pretty sure that some are even in my underwear. Okay, and I am pretty sure that some are even in my underwear also. Okay, each and every portion of the body part there is a noodles. Okay, there is a nostril also, on the nose also. Okay, cheeks also, chin also, forehead also. Okay, on a neck also. Okay, so each and everywhere there is a noodles, noodles and noodles. So try not to do what I did. Okay, so I am a total nincompoop. I am a total that naughty boy who stick the noodles everywhere, who was a nincompoop. Nincompoop means the silly, foolish, stupid person. Okay, the nincompoop means the silly, stupid person. Okay, who can't eat the noodles. Okay, but they stick each and every part. Okay, there is a hair. Okay, there is stick the hair noodles on his hair, some on the forehead, some on the cheeks. There is a cheese also. There is a inside the nose also and upside the nose also. There is a noodles everywhere. Everywhere there is a noodles. So, and I feel asleep at lunch while eating chicken noodle soup. And I feel asleep at lunch. Okay, I feel asleep at lunch when the lunch time, and I feel asleep at lunch and while eating chicken noodle soup. Okay, while eating a chicken noodle soup, then the condition of there is a when the noodles somewhat where is a squishy, so it is a everywhere noodles. You can see the in a picture. Okay, you can see in a picture that the boys noodles you can see here in a book. There is a picture. No, there is a noodles. Okay, there is a noodles every portion of the body parts there. Okay, the on side the nose also, there is a hair also, there is a cheeks also, on the neck also, each and every portion there is a noodles and noodles. So it's the condition of the one of the boy who was very foolish, very stupid, okay, and who was matter for the noodles also. So when I stand, they are somewhat squeezy also, and I feel them start to oozing. Oozing is the come out. Oozing is the come out. And there are several in my pocket also. Okay, several noodles come out from the pockets also, and there are a handful in my hair. Okay, there is handful in my hair also, and I am a pretty. I am looking very pretty. Okay, means there is a noodles every part of the body part. Okay, and this poem we can learn about the body parts also. So each and every part there is on the hair. Okay, on the nostril, in the nostril, on the nose. Okay, on the cheeks, on the chins. Okay, there is some noodles stick here on a neck. Okay, some noodles in a pocket also. Okay, some are the stick and the kneecap also, and some are in the shoes also. Okay, each and everywhere the makeup very dirty. Okay, looking very ugly, just like noodles person. Okay, there is a noodles everywhere. Okay, in on that boy. Okay, and so try not to what I did, and so try not to do what I did. Okay, I am a total nincompoop. Total nincompoop boy means who was very naughty, foolish, stupid. Okay, so and I feel asleep at a lunch. Okay, and I feel asleep at a lunch also while eating chicken noodle soup. Okay, while he is eating a chicken noodle soup. Okay, so it is a poem. Okay, it is a poem about the person who was very naughty. Okay, who like a mental for the noodles also. Okay, most of the boys like noodles and they are mental from noodles. They like the noodles very much. So it is I have a noodles in my nostrils. Okay, I have a noodles in my nostrils. So it is a poem, very funny poem. Okay, there is a identify of some body parts also, just like hair, forehead, cheeks, chin, nose, nostrils, then the kneecaps. Okay, some identify the body parts also there. So it is a very funny poem. Okay, I have noodles in my nostrils. Okay, the name of it is I have noodles in my nostrils, and it is a poem which written by the King written by the Ken Nesmith. I have noodles in my nose strip. So now the poem is over. You can learn at home. Okay, it's a very funny poem, and you can do exercise there. Okay, you can do exercise yourself also. Okay, so now our poem is over. Thank you.